we will discuss a topic changes around us. Like topic name is reversible change, causes of reversible change, expansion of solid on heating, changes of states. Yes. What is reversible change? If a change can be reversed, it is called a reversible change. This means that it is possible to get the new object back into the original form. A reversible change can take place in both ways. This change can be brought about by natural processes as well as by human activities. Make a boat out of a sheet of note paper. What you have to do is to change the shape of the sheet paper from a simple rectangle into a boat-like shape. You now want to make something else from the sheet of paper. It is simple, just unfold the paper and make an origami aeroplane. In this way, you can change the boat back into a sheet of paper, then use it to make an aeroplane. Let us study some examples of reversible change. Take a balloon and blow air it in. You will notice that balloon changes the shape and size. Now let the air escape the balloon and notice it. The balloon regains the original shape. This type of change is called a reversible change. Take some flour and try to make dough. Take some dough and make a ball. Then try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. This type of change is called a reversible change. Take a balloon and blow it into its size. Tip its mouth with a string. Prick it with the pointed tip. It bursts. It means it cannot regain the shape. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Will roti regain the original shape? No, it cannot regain the original shape because it is an irreversible. So this activity shows that which things are reversible and which are irreversible. Thank you.